Hi there, my name is Kristen Edmiston and I'm the owner and principal of KEA Edmiston Associates. I'd like to share a little bit about who I am and how I approach working with others so you can get to know me a little better. First of all, I am a people person. My professional career began in nursing, and my experiences from the front line to the executive level have allowed me to truly appreciate the importance of engagement, empathy, teamwork, and leadership. Secondly, I bring a systems perspective to every situation. This means seeing and understanding the big picture, the 50,000-foot view, if you will. It means taking complex situations and reframing them into tangible, connectable parts, and I call this process connecting the dots. Lastly, my values lead me in both my personal and professional life. The three principles that I live by are authenticity, integrity, and excellence. I believe each and every one of us can realize the success we desire by applying these three principles in everything we do. I have experience working with large public sector organizations, small to medium-sized businesses, and even not-for-profits and charities. I help teams come together, leaders to inspire and mobilize their people, and I help individuals shift their mindsets to believe in what could be. I specialize in consulting engagements related to workplace culture, change management, leadership development, creative strategic thinking, and supporting small businesses from startup through growth and even diversification stages. I also have a strong network of other experts in the areas of strategy, sales, branding and marketing, evaluation, and even communications. So KEA Consulting can provide a complete wraparound of services to meet your needs. I'm excited to hear from you, so let's talk about how I can help you with your specific needs. Reach out, let's do this, it's time to engage.